Hello guys, I'm hoping you're having a great day today. So come with me to Lake Ground in Kurunegala. Guys, these giant trees look amazing and gorgeous, as well as the patterns in the branches. It looks like these trees are carved by nature itself. And also, there are small food booths where you can get something to eat. Okay, guys, now we're at Lake Ground, so let's walk around and have a look. And friends, you can also go on boat rides over here. Okay, friends, now we're gonna sit down and enjoy the view. Okay guys, this is the end of my video and I hope you enjoyed it. So follow us for more videos and have a great day. Bye.